How to view mobile websites in Safari on Mac. Click on Safari. Here you can see settings, click it here. Here you can see advanced option, click it here. Here you can see show features for web developers. Check mark this. Now close it. Here you can see develop option. Click it here. Here you can see user agent. Here you can see how your website will look in iPhone. Click it here. This is how it will look in the mobile. As you can see, this is how it will look in the mobile. You can explore other options as well. If you want to see in iPad mini, you can see it like this. If you want to see how it will look in Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, iPad. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.